Free. Me to be as I want to be. Come see me. Me media ni kente won't be a won't tea. Etia Bushia say and crying mantema saying, baby, tis a ministry so no more. Ube ura one no more. Nase nose mask no shabia. Umraho offices are who ruin and yes, ya de boho. Multimedia honey and Chelbeba Nebo has said, oh,
you can't say I am but enforcement.
Oh, where the minister nature say, or move see to the enforcement or sit as was or and a yamma also, yenya the boy I am a now, may back at a far a do and so middle page, no. A had the end in a year, may papa CJ. Won't say, and say you and for the bet to just say, sir, or men be a wens, yes, ye mo. We are say a come we see Bible mu, a come we see Bible muno, a man at all, you know. Was a yan share we are says, I come ni bibesia. As they say, a mine, Nipanka was so nyada, de Kodokria, Nipanka was so nyada, de ye, a numa would do a babuano, will be a COVID-19 to be a shrew. Say, Nipana ready cry, say, me pesami ye, Juma we ya, Libresa will hear so, do be yedman or more hefa. Etias, and no cragana more a crano. Wouldn't so more a cram on course or more jabba, say, there be so on petrol be beba. And the minister say, Minister already also say, Ghana ye when we are ne, was ye diane, ye yen chotoda. Was it near more mudia gua poemuno? What per se, wash your Ghana for in an press conference or ye no, Ufa Delegafica, middle page in Odorinando and Arturo. Was in Miani a bebuso. Say, or combat your men beer and your Ghana.
Maybe problem in it pricing. One more CCA, one more Adom Bonnet, Atutu boom in your neighbor. A jama bomb no did you. And you are dear.
And rano or can be for full security. No, see true that no, and no mobile share, no my yamra, control price. Entino see a catcher was a body, sir. Ya the two scale so, none ye way say yen Tony say. Now would the Mrasha won some cast and your pen abeya, ye bet you. They say the answer nim brackety bia or one more. Say, ya see yen Tony, dear local bia dear 20 cities. Now would do the number binti CJ. Quia yono, any here, and the daily graphic near Womo and on.
Okay, my man, Nase, na men commending na mene ora Napoleon Ajima Odro or your vice president, Poultry Farmers Association. Meneno and Chechen and Como Anamombia Womu Etru de Abua Kwaye COVID-19 Mate Swamo Koche Kusia how many crates Rajman Akwaba
yeah
about us here dear
Radiadum
Kusia do say na mode support COVID-19 queen
yo for me chair with you for I'm say Ghana mine and the Yenya war and I say Nyakon I friend of COVID-19 my mum penny for dear Nimu, a yet yombe to me. Poultry for your my munsono, ya can't be. Intimation penny for quite yanisa. The shame no, not the ye, ze Cosia name Coquanamno, some ready Cosiano dear. Poultry farmers are my moon quan ye. And ye say it be quache or mine. Said ye beya, a bit to me to be a feedy or more or mere victims of COVID-19. And a Juma for a Buama Yakun COVID-19
frontline
workers.
Okay.
Now the India and the San say, so we shall Cosia in a woman a bois to build the immune system.
Correct.
And to say, yeah, far immune system building so akon COVID-19 dear. Let's just say,
Cosia be Dimakotane
Washa near protein woman. Kosia ya de ba ko benya protein a ye cheap and I say cheaper. We here no free wa me shada nya me ho say doctor na mo madwuma me ye no ntia na ye siemu ade kakra. Ye san wo minerals bi say zinc and selenium. And also buama immune system no a building. So until say we na ye ho adwuma dia. And ent me enter house sakwa. I say a kokoboa omampani. Na utumi the shebaby. Na say wosha me did say ye kuyafo na ya akeka yensa say almost about 1,000 crates of eggs.
Wow.
1,000. Say
crate 1,000.
and no na Ghana Poultry Farmers Association region biano ebiwo hono ya toto nsa afre omo regions western central eastern waterfall nyina de kosua ne biaba na ye de kwa kwache mfa ne say Ministry of Health mo samre de ye fa no so ko Ministry of Health no Ghana Health Service nti na wie be hia mpanimfo Ghana Health Service ashare na yede sa kosie akoche omanmoni nyina.
Okay, wokasa sesi no nkosua yedi no omanmu de mo na mo ye ho adwuma na je say ye importing nkosua mfiri baabi
kosia no egumu mienu de friend table egg yede ye aduane wo kitchen near de na ye wo de hatche the hatche I my day o check the ye crab fi amana neighbor.
Okay,
but the din wo man mu a wo to awache na bi da so kontomre na bi da so na de Ghana ha poultry farmers and yes you know.
Wow.
Wow. Meat no ni hu right now. We are doing less than 5%. Bakosia ni de ya na ye nti yentumi nkofa mfiri obi man so emfa maboa okon na ye kono say de ye na ha na bi na say de koboa omai no. Okay,
nti ene nkosua nkwa na mode ekwakoche enam nka ho.
Ende nkosua nkwa ye need the kwan say in the midst of all problems no ya na opportunity bi ho say yem say baby ye nkokọ nam kra ekra bi ba omai mu no say wo ya ye pim so wo Ghana he e bi asi ho so ho enti say ye tumi aka say rice e ba omai mu baby edua rice no say ye ntumi mama rice Ghana fo nyina bedi nti ye ntwe ani mehwe say bedua rice no ha de a na anhwe ye so na esa akokọ nam so enti it present a huge opportunity for us as poultry farmers say animanimia ye ne abana bedi nsawoso na hwe say chicken ye import free obi man so baha no ye be sha say ye produce eno so e wo man mu
by that no emoa ben na mo behia e free aban ho
of amoa de am say ye behia bebre edikan say wo hwe nkokoma na ye pai na eno na sha se o yam fan say samre enyoma ajijache nti say wo hwe hatchery capacity of this country na enisro ho say behia investment kakra na ye de cushion omo so that quantity of day old chicks are here no ebetumi apai ni nyina wo man mu feed millers capacity no so and so ye behia investment kakra wo ho no akokọ no de ne ba den so man aduane for about 6, 7, 8 weeks before you sell nti anu say investment kakra say ye hwe nkokọ eba o man mu almost 300,000 metric tons na say ye kase ye de yensa ebetutu ho a we can't do that much. Nti say you bet me produce nkokọ to feed our citizenry. I say you invest into processing facilities. So nti ye ntimi mfiti prekope. I say you dey nyoma gu akwamu. As for poultry, the floor, the railing space in there, I can tell you say we have a lot. Ye will be as some nkokọ kra nim. Nti bi kra hokra be investment for enye bebre. Ye kakra ka ho a na poultry farmers no akwagije nkokọ ama mo aduane ni ndro. Now, in about 7-8 weeks, best now ready to be consumed by Ghanaians.
Well, and the donation.
Donation and Friday, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. And sa donation no.
So da bena yensa kind of donation. Me produce as me bisa.
Definitely, and because me to dinsa 1,000. So me to dinsa 1,000. Nemo
agree.
Me to dinsa 1,000. Nemo we break kanwa. Ye de be ya de bebre nti en de be nsoro kra after 1 p.m. we are sure say me de ba multimedia edwam ha say na de also ye bibia so the sans akabi
okay
see wo na no mo say cash biba stimulus package biba eti ye hwe animu if say ya nsha say
600 million ye de ma small and medium enterprises here na
we so ka ho.
Okay.
We are fully so come. Okay. And we say Minister Nkasem no ka say we are ready. mesi COVID-19 no chere ade bi o man bi atumi yo e say wo wi nkokọ efiri obi man so a wono ne de nso no no ama obi eti ye so nhese ye no poultry farmers ne they are ready say on be ye adwuma no enti akade e wo se ye de so omasene machines e wo so omode be omode ye adwuma lab baby on be ye omo test ahoro ni we nyina no sabri ni brank e wo se ye ni koho eti abrofo no be ka say ye mmam nkokọ biu no na che say ye nya nkokọ a ye bewie se so so kwotwo ba bebre aye no ma we nkokọ ati no Ghana de ni bia e na say nipa bebre som eti ye nso omasene na adwuma no mu ntumi nye
me da say Rajimodro, what's my chat to an affair?
Yes, COVID-19 there, as soon as no a dozen industry biano, any chefa. Now, it is a free diet confirm a KZB or my mono consumption no aquaform. So, because the secondary school for boarding food in the Adiano or Mojocosia. And say Nkwalano JHS for no and as a primary phone so qua school feed in near the Osho course you do a motor some ray and Nkwalano of you know say volume of purchase no conform no doubt to say enya instance so enye ewo so that me wo GD pass packages are whole ya body ewo my mono enya de be free poultry farmers because yenim say ye wakono say ya enye fesa be complaining about so many things but in so enye no ye ready edoso nti ye need the kwan say na me advance smaller packages are hold ya bosso e bi be support farmers so
ye be pushi na e bi asomo so e bi somo so aya na mama nkusua no so ne akokọ nam no e bi so ayeden ekua
na unse o akase kusua ni immune system no na say enye nro no nko na wase no
eduane bi wo ho a udi a utimi boost immune system Barat Napoleon Ajima Odro Vice President Poultry Farmers Association and I'm no atwetwe enkomashane so na poso latex foam Duraplast where Duraplast goes water flows and Societe Generale SG Ghana the future is you Agbeve Herbal Center Omadaroma any na poso yede ebro I mean try from me ba birthday yede bebro na fe yede corruption watching so atwa so yaba.
This week on Joy Learning, JHS lessons, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday, mathematics, types of sets. Tuesday, English language, abstract nouns. Wednesday, integrated science, absorption. Thursday, French, action verbs and type of groups. Friday, integrated science, methods of farming. SHS 1 lessons, Monday to Friday at 7:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. Monday, biology, diversity of living things, eukaryotic. Tuesday, financial accounting, adjustments to final account of a sole trader. Wednesday, integrated science, measurement, part 1. Thursday, core mathematics, vectors in a plane, part 2. Friday, physics, projectile motion, part 1. Catch up with the National Science and Maths quiz on Monday to Friday at 5:30 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. Send us questions and get them answered on Revision TV show, live on Joy Learning, Monday to Friday at 7 p.m. and a repeat at 10:30 a.m. For updates on weekly schedules, please log into www.myjoyonline.com or adomonline.com. Download the Wolo app and access complete lessons covering the syllabus or call 0302-211-688 or 026-479-0970. Joy Learning. Keep learning.
Water gives life. Water is life. Enjoy the pure, refreshing taste of Awake purified drinking water, which comes in a uniquely designed bottle with a lemon green tap. Water is your perfect way to stay hydrated. And remember, for every bottle you buy, an amount will be donated to the National Cardiothoracic Center, Ghana. Awake purified drinking water, one for life. For bulk purchase, contact 0262 351 251.
What the extra CSA?
Extra Tresse. Data be brave.
Minutes be brave. I'm never frame out of
Data and expire.
talk time be brave. I never want that from cra. The extra. Airtel to go and more extra. Extra data expired da. It will big time extra so. Extra minutes expired da. It will fuse extra so. And the extra unlimited calls. Extra million you. Now you bonus data body expired da. You the film with your boss star 111 hash keke. Chat to Mississippi.
Airtel to go. Life is simple.
In the midst of this global pandemic, Puma Energy has partnered the Ministry of Health Ghana by providing free fuel to ambulances operating in the lockdown zones for 1 month. Stay at home and call 112 anytime you suspect symptoms of the coronavirus. Snifie, Fre 112 and maybe a coronavirus at Nkanibi. Tashia, Tra 112 be fair be Nyoban Nahilane. The Ghana Ambulance Service will respond swiftly to you because Puma Energy has energized each vehicle with quality fuel. Puma Energy, energizing communities. This initiative is powered by Puma Energy in collaboration with the Ministry of Health.
Hello, students! How well can you answer very simple, interesting riddles? Come, let's test our smartness on the Joy Learning Trivia Riddles. How do you participate in this interesting and rewarding challenge? Follow these tips. 1. Follow us on all Joy Learning social media handles. Facebook at Joy Learning and Twitter at Joy Learning TV. 2. Check out the Daily Riddle on Joy Learning TV and all our social media handles. 3. Post your correct answer to the riddle of the day on our social media handles. Get the answer correctly and be rewarded with a well-deserved acknowledgement on Ghana's first educational TV channel, Joy Learning. Joy Learning Trivia Riddles. Let's learn with fun and lots of excitement. Joy Learning. Keep learning.
Jim FM. Jim FM.
Our money, when I'm money, our money, when I'm money, our money, when I'm money, our money.
Jim FM. Jim FM.
Je suis arrivé. Qu'est-ce que c'est la mission sur Sénégal?
Jim FM.
Je ne vois pas l'âge. C'est moi le Dieu. Send me back again. Yeah. Now no hit it back. What you say now? Squad yeah. Alongside Man and Morris. Babyface. What you say now? Our money, African money. I got the top of